What's up, y'all? So welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Ashimary hair. They did send me over this gorgeous water wave glueless wig. It is their 5x5 24-inch with 250% density. Everything about this unit will be in the description box below. So y'all, this wig came with so many goodies. Let's talk about the color because I'm feeling this blue. I'm feeling the blue Ashimary. So this is the box that the hair came in. It came with this super cute robe and it has their name right here. And it came with a bonnet, girl. Came with a bonnet. Like, okay, put me to sleep. But that is super cute. It has their name on there as well. It came with the HD wig cap, a band, because girl, tie that wig down, an edge brush, lashes, and it came with comb. So this wig is glueless. It is 100% glueless. So let's just go ahead and do the test, y'all, because of course we got to do the test. It literally took me about 5 minutes to put this wig on, y'all. Very beginner friendly. So if you don't have a clue about wigs, girl, a glueless wig is what you need because it's really taking over. That's all I wear now is glueless wigs because, girl, what? And then it's about to be summertime, so of course we don't have time to be worried about our lace lifting because of the glue. Get you a glueless wig. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, girl. So yeah, let's hop right into this video.
So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love, cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you're running for, cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. Oh, clothes that I knew would look good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Real love, real love. 'Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you